If you head over to Etsy.com, here you can find an amazing trending product here that's about selling some faces on stacks. As you see, this amazing product in demand, 15 people bought this in last 24 hours. And there's another similar product here. As you see, in demand, 26 people bought this in last 24 hours, as you see in this, like the previous one. And you can find a third version of this amazing physical product like this was different and various characters like human and pets and so on. As well here, 19 people bought this in the last 24 hours. So here you can find this trending physical product. People are buying to get this one in just in 2-3 days, as you observe. Just face cutouts on this wooden stack. So now what about selling the same product but in a digital form, not physical? For sure, if you sell this physical product, you've got to in the USA, so locally you can actually ship this physical product to customers just in 1 day, 2 day, and so on. There is no chance to ship these products outside the USA. So now we can just shift this amazing trending one and leverage this product to sell its digital format. So now how you can do that, remain step by step. Simply, how these sellers get these face cutouts with this accurate and sharp edges. So now we can move on and go to this amazing website that says cutout.pro. This amazing website. It gives you free plan, enables you, and it gives you 5 free credits a month. So just you can sign up here for free and head over to this product section, and here you can go to this one, face cutout. So click over this one and you will be taken to this page where you can upload your image of yourself or your clients as you want. So you will get accurate and instant face cutout. So for example, and here just upload my own image and you will see this amazing result. As you see, amazing, isn't it? So now it's time to download this transparent PNG. Download this one in high definition PNG with transparent background. So now it's time to just make these cut out of any face you like for your clients, for different characters and so on. So you can provide this amazing product, this digital product. For sure, you just confirm this digital product or the downloadable product, not a physical one. So the customer would handle this PNG image and just print it out and stick on any wooden stick as he wants in any size he likes. So now you can provide this amazing digital item into different formats. The first one is a customized one, so you can actually give the customers the opportunity to give you the photos of themselves, their parents, their friends, girlfriends, and so on. And the other format is by selling some templates or done for you templates or a bundle of a specific situation or some specific characters. For example, if you go over to ChatGPT, here we can ask ChatGPT to give me some templates to sell like Avengers and so on. So ChatGPT give me some amazing ideas like generic character styles like superhero, boy and girls, princess party, and spy or secret agent and so on, or themed custom faces like for pirates, astronaut, zombie, clown, and so forth. So you can make a bundle of some characters in the same theme, like for graduation, for example. You can get some girls in different ethnic backgrounds with different cultures and so on. So for example, here if I ask ChatGPT again to give me some promise to create these characters around a specific theme, like this graduation, for example, and for class 2025, you can find these amazing short prompts to create these various characters like smiling black female graduate, Latina, Asian, white teenage, and hijabi, and so on. So now it's time to just prepare this bundle of this template for graduation just by creating these images by using any AI image generators like Midjourney, ideogram, and so on. So for sure, you can try some amazing one and the latest websites out there, like this one, Dremina.capcut.com. It's amazing and it gives you these outstanding results, and for sure it's for free. Or this amazing website that is GenTube. So I just answered here a short prompt from ChatGPT, like a smiling black female graduate wearing a cap and a gown, and here you can find this amazing result. So then you can download this image completely for free, and now head over to Cutout Pro again to just try this amazing process. So just upload your this image and it gives you this amazing result as you see. Perfect. So you can repeat this process for different themes as you want. So that way you can provide your digital items in two different formats, customized one and done for you already templates. Then it's time now how we can sell this digital item or downloadable product. Here, the best way, here you can actually upload all these images like in folders on Google Drive. Then you can get this shareable link and insert this shareable link in a PDF that any customer, for sure, in this, for example, this template for graduation, okay, he will get this PDF that contains your shareable link that takes him to your folder on Google Drive. Or if he just select this the customizable one, he will send you these images for himself, for his friends, parents, family, and so on. Then likewise you will send him the PDF, customized PDF with this folder or this link that takes him to the folder that contains these face cutouts of his colleagues and so on. So he will take all these PNG with transparent backgrounds. He would print out as he likes and just put them on these sticks as he wants. So that way you can provide this amazing product in a digital form. And of course, to sell these digital items, here you can provide in different platforms like Etsy.com as a digital downloadable, as I said earlier, as a digital and downloadable item. Okay, just to confirm this information in your product description in Etsy.com, Creative Fabrica, Creative Market, and so on. And for sure, you can market yourself in different platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, just by providing all these previews as they did here in Etsy.com. So many people are loving this such amazing trending item, but in a digital form. They send you these messages just by templates, or just they send you their private albums. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.